Hello, I'm Norma from TwoWayRadioCenter.com. Let's talk about the Motorola HKLN4604 Swivel Earpiece. This is Motorola's most popular headset for business two-way radios because it is comfortable and easy to wear. The HKLN4604 can be worn on either ear and can be wiped down with an alcohol pad between users. Motorola designed the HKLN4604 to be comfortable for users regardless of the size of their ear. The cord is 44.5 inches long, and there are two clips to help keep the excess wire out of the way. The headset itself swivels, and there is an in-line push-to-talk mic. The mic should be 4 to 6 inches away from your mouth when transmitting for best results. Motorola HKLN4604 headsets are protected by a 1-year replacement warranty from Motorola. Motorola HKLN4604 earpieces are the direct replacement for the Motorola RLN6423 and are compatible with Motorola CLS, DLR, RM, and DTR series walkie-talkies. Thanks for taking a second to view our product video. If you're in the market for Motorola HKLN4604 headsets, visit our site by clicking the link and save 5% on your entire order using the coupon code YT.